I just bought this thing from the Jungle website. You know what I'm talking about. And of course, you have to put it together. This is all the goodies that it came with. I'm looking, I'm getting into this thing where it's just nothing. I need organization. I need organization, and I need it now. So, I'm gonna put this freaking thing together and see if I like it. I hope I like it because I don't want to return it. But I almost thought about just returning it. It was kind of one of those purchases where I'm like, did I really need this in my life? I don't know. Hang on. Like, am I dumb or am I stupid? The cool thing is it came with wheels, right? And I'm like, hello. But it's got like a little, see that thing that pops out? Doop, doop. You just put this on and then that has to be on. There, boop, on. Right, so they came with wheels, which is cool. All right, hang on, let's see what else. As I'm doing this, I'm like, what is this? Why do I have like so many pieces? Like, how's this go? There were 2 in the box. It comes with 2 of these. That's fun. I thought I spent $20 for 1. No, it's $20 for 2. You put all your pole things in, right? And then you just gotta put the poles and the things up here. You know, of course I'm doing it on video and I can't freaking see what the hell I'm doing, but like, you get the idea. Okay, so now we just want to make sure we got all the things in. Look, and it rolls out from your cabinet if you need it to, right? So this is tall and big. It comes with a little thingy to attach, and then it comes with little hooks to attach too if you want to hang stuff off of it, right? That's cool. And then this little hangy basket thing for like this is going under my bathroom sink, so I'm thinking razors for here for sure, because I'm tired of them just like randomly laying around after we open a pack. The hooks are awesome. You can hang anything on them, but it came with 2 in the box for $20. There's the photo, and this is awesome. Wheels to roll it out if you need to like take it with you to a different room, if it's holding your cleaning supplies or something. Okay, I'm happy. This was a good purchase.